This is a short video that will show you how you can change the name of one of your pages inside your course. So on the left hand side of the screen you can see we have these tabs, these large tabs: attendance, collaboration, coursework information, coursework, gradebook, introduction, and syllabus. And introduction I had renamed earlier, and it had once been the main page. These are your default pages that are already placed on the page when you first create a course. And what I'm going to show you now is how you can change the names of certain ones of these pages. Some of them you cannot change, they're just going to continuously be the default name. And to do that, we go down to our context manager, which is right here on the left side. You click it, and it'll bring up a context manager page where we can change the names of the properties, pages, subsections, permissions, and exports. Right now I'm just going to talk about the pages, so we're going to select pages, and it'll bring up a screen that shows us all the pages that have been identified in this course. And anything that has a pencil mark beside it can be edited, and anything with a trash mark beside it can be deleted. Currently, Introduction, which is your default page, does not have a trash can beside it because we can't delete it while it's the default page. If we move our default page to another page, then we'll have the option to also delete the main page, or in this case the introduction page. So as you can see, we can change the name of the collaboration page. Instead of it being collaboration, we could call it the discussion board. And we could also rename our introduction, which we had done earlier. And I could put it back down to main page. Once we exit, you will see that the changes are reflected in the left-hand column. So collaboration is now called discussion board, and welcome is now called the main page. Now we can also move these tabs up and down, so we don't have to have them in alphabetical order. We just go back to our context manager, select pages, and select reorder, and then there's numbers placed beside them. So if you want to have the main page as number 1, syllabus is 2, course information is 3, coursework is 4 is good, 5 for gradebook, say 6 for attendance, and 7 for the discussion board. Save your changes, exit. When you come back to your main page, you'll see that main page is now the very first option that comes up, followed by syllabus and coursework or course information.